What's up guys, Max here at the Landfather YouTube channel. Today we've got another Harbor Freight unboxing video. This is the Bauer 10-inch tabletop drill press. So let's get this opened. Spyderco Military 2 in the pocket today. If you're a pocket knife guy and you like good pocket knives, it's one of the best I've ever had. All right, let's just get everything out of here. I imagine this is not too complicated to put together, but sure is an awfully small box, which can be worrying. Yeet. Sneaky little bits in there, don't forget that. Yeet. I don't know why I say yeet every time when I throw the boxes. It's a silly thing to say. I know exactly why I do it. Because I like saying it. Chuck, maybe power head is the technical term. So I bought this from Harbor Freight today, kind of specifically to drill this, which is what I'm gonna test it out on, and is going on the back of my new wheel horse garden tractor, which I'm using to tow around my mobile coupe. So there's videos on both of those things. I wanted one of these for a little while. I think it's kind of one of the things I felt like my shop was missing. I paid $149.99 for it. So in my book, that's $100, $150, excuse me. There's really not a whole heck of a lot of pieces in here, which is kind of a good sign. 13 millimeters. One of the things that I'm kind of working on is assembling all of the tools to feel like I can do whatever project I really want to get into. You know, I just got a table saw, which was kind of opened up a whole new realm of woodworking for me, beyond what I've been capable of. I think that's pretty cool. I've really enjoyed that. I feel like I have to take this off. I was right. Literally the first instruction. Oh, good. Column base. Did you guys hear that? My new kitty cat is thinking about coming inside the shop. His name's Cutie Pie. Ah. It's remarkable what happens when you follow the directions. Oh, there's Cutie Pie. Just go all the way to the column base. Place rack collar beveled side down. I'm not really one for directions, but I'm glad I read the directions on this one. There's a set screw you gotta take out over here. Oh boy. You see that? That looks pretty nice. That looks like a lot more of a drill press than I had than before. E-doggy. Set screw. Tighten up that set screw. I feel like you probably want that pretty tight. Okay. These just screw in. Oh, this thing's got a laser? Okay. Tighten the two set screws. There's two of them? Where's the other one? Ah, right here. Two does make more sense. That's literally just a friction fit. Let's plug it in. Laser, whoa. That's pretty nifty. Light. I kind of like that. And there's a holder for this right here, which is a really well thought out little feature. Wow, that's like really remarkable how well that works. Oh, there's Cutie Pie. Cutie Pie is in the house. It's got a laser that crosses. That's pretty neat. Don't forget your safety spectacles. I'm realizing now that I should have put a board on the underside. That's pretty thick tubing. That sure looks like a hole all the way through that, which I need to do another one for, but this isn't particularly interesting. And I think you kind of get the point. So pretty happy with this, 150 bucks. It seems, granted, I've done two things with it. I've drilled a hole in one side and then drilled a hole in another. So maybe that's even one thing. It's about typical what I've come to expect from Harbor Freight, which is actually a significantly above average quality for the price. The value proposition of most everything I've bought from Harbor Freight has been awesome. They are not what they used to be, and I think that's a really good thing for people like me who, you know, I don't need a drill press. I've made it 31 years without one. I don't need one that's like built to be able to be used every single day for decades and decades and decades. I'm just not gonna put that kind of hours on a machine. So something like this, which quite frankly, probably will last as long as I need it to, is worth it to me to not break the bank on. And I would rather have more tools that are maybe slightly lower quality that are still not bad. Like this doesn't feel cheap. I hate when things feel cheap. This doesn't feel cheap. Well, okay, let me put it this way. It doesn't feel so cheap that it kind of sets off my cheapometer, which I can't handle things that feel super cheap. It just doesn't, it's not compatible with, I will not enjoy it. It does not give me, as Wrangler Star would say, the fizz. Pretty impressed with that. Thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video. Give us a like, give us a comment. If you're interested in kind of what I'm doing and what I've got going on over here, follow along. I've got a lot of fun projects, and I really like the life I live, and I like sharing part of it with you guys on the internet. So stay tuned for more Landfather. Thanks for watching.